How to make a Netflix account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make a Netflix account, all you have to do is open your browser and go to netflix.com, or you can also use the Netflix application. And after you go to either the browser or anywhere else over here, you'll find the option called email address, so where you have to enter the email address on which you want to create a Netflix account. So tap on get started. If you've already created it, it'll ask you to enter your password, otherwise it will ask you to create a new password, so go ahead and do that, whatever else you prefer. After that, the next step will require you to choose a plan, so just tap the next option here and then simply choose a plan you like, which could be premium, standard, basic, mobile, or whatever else. After you've done that, you can tap the next option and select your payment method, such as a credit or debit card or PayPal account, and once done you will be able to make a Netflix account. This way you will be able to make a Netflix account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.